need to make coffee ASAP.
Wow, my hair looks crazy.
It sounds like Trevor got a job today, right? And I'm making myself coffee. I'm gonna add cinnamon in mine. Hopefully it would taste like a Teddy Graham. I'm gonna make some breakfast and my fucking hair, dude. I look like a bug. And I'm gonna edit my video. So I'll update you guys after that. But we are gonna film today, which is exciting. Okay guys, this is real. This is me. This is exactly where I'm supposed to be and gonna let the line. I have just been editing this whole time, as you can fucking tell by my hair. It's shower day. But Trevor says he has to show me something. So let's see what this man is gonna show me. God, it looks so good in here. Wow. Oh my god. Wow! Wow! Loud ass dryer. Okay, this boy has been begging for a haircut, so I'm gonna give him a haircut. Here's before, like always. Turn to the. No. Turn that way. Do a transition for me.
Okay. Is that a good transition?
No. You're down here.
Oh, really?
Go. Just use your hand. Okay, sit. Use your hand.
Okay.
Go. Go far. Go closer. Okay, hi vlog. I need to update you guys because I've done a couple things since I last was on here. First of all, finished Trevor's haircut, and then I took a shower. I just got upstairs, I did some skincare, and now I'm ready to film. I also took a little hit of the za and kind of got me fucked up, can't lie to you. So I'm gonna try to film a video right now. I'm probably gonna be off my fucking knockers, but I'm gonna film one and it might end up making the video better, so we'll see. I have a vision in my head for a makeup look and I'm going to execute it. So the next clip you see is gonna be me looking cute as shit. Are you ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Wait, I already did that transition. I'll just add the clip. Okay guys, I'm officially done with my makeup. It's so cute. It's giving festival vibes, which I am not at a festival. I need to be, but very cute. I literally threw this thing on, but I don't think it looks that good. I just did it for pictures and I don't feel like taking it off right this second, so it's gonna stay on. In other news, it's 8:30 and I haven't even made dinner yet. What am I thinking? Okay, now I'm gonna go downstairs and make some dinner because I'm fucking starving. I found a ginger snap cookie. I'm eating it. So good. Tonight's dinner is super easy. It's just ravioli and some Caesar salad I threw together. It's really good though. I'm also watching Mr. Trevor stream. I paused it though because I don't want to get copyright. Let's eat some dinner together, y'all. Something about just like store-bought ravioli and just a jar of pasta sauce. Even though if you guys saw my vlog the other day, I was literally saying I hate jarred pasta sauce. I feel like with a meal like this, it's just so nostalgic to have it like this. Am I crazy for finishing my Red Bull at 9 p.m? Probably. But I'm probably also not gonna go to bed until fucking 2. So we'll see. Oh my god, this is like really good actually. When I'm grocery shopping, I always have to get like an easy meal because there's some days, I mean you guys know this, like a lot of days we go out and get food because I just do not want to make dinner. I love cooking, but some days I just don't want to. We're watching our show. It's called Crime Target. It's really good so far, honestly. Hey, hi vlog. I look kind of crazy because I took my makeup off, but Trevor and I just ended up chilling for the rest of the night. So this will be the end of the vlog. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I really loved yesterday's vlog, so if you haven't seen yesterday's vlog, you should go watch it. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I hope you have a great night or day or whatever time you're watching this, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Okay, love you. Bye.